Hello, Mark Sabatella from Mastering MuseScore here. In this tip, I want to show you how to enter accidentals, including courtesy accidentals. What are those? Well, I'll get to that in a second. So I want to enter an A natural into this score, and the key signature here has an A flat, right? So if I want an A natural, that is an accidental. So I'm going to be in note input mode. I'll press N to enter note input mode. Also, I'm entering this into voice 2, so I'm going to switch to voice 2. That's not relevant for accidentals, but it's just what I'm doing in this score. And I now want to enter my A natural. So the way we're going to do that is we're first going to select the accidental we want, then we'll enter the pitch. So I will either click the natural sign on the toolbar to say I want to enter a natural, or I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut. MuseScore 4 has keyboard shortcuts for the accidentals, finally. Minus sign for flat, plus sign for sharp, and equals for natural. So what we're going to see now is if I just press equals, the natural sign has selected itself on the toolbar. So now we've told MuseScore I want to enter a natural. So that now if I type an A, I'll type a 7 for a whole note, and then A, I get my A natural. Now, I mentioned that courtesy accidentals are a thing, and what this is this is telling a musician something that they should already know, but you just don't want to rely on when reading. So, if you know the rules of notation, you know that the bar line cancels out that natural sign, right? So if I enter an A right now, it's going to be A flat. If I enter, I want it to be a half note. So if I type 6 and then A, I'm going to get an A flat. But someone reading this is not something you should rely on. You should not rely on when sight reading that someone is going to notice that the bar line canceled the accidental. You should always put in what's called a courtesy accidental. So I want a flat sign on that A. So in order to do that, I'm going to undo what I just did, adding that note, and this time I'm just going to tell MuseScore, yes, I want a flat sign. So I'll use the keyboard shortcut minus to say I want a flat, and now I will type my A, and then I get it as an A flat. So the accidentals on the toolbar as well as the shortcuts work the same whether it's a real accidental or a courtesy accidental. They tell MuseScore that the next note you enter should have that accidental on it.